sorry. Someone just said the webinars are dead. And that is so not true. My name is DeKesha Williams, your virtual COO, and in this video, I am going to share with you how webinars are so not dead. Alright, so this is DeKesha Williams, and we're going to be talking a little bit about why webinars are not dead. Have you heard about the online digital learning space? Did you realize it's a $200 billion industry and growing over the next 5 years? And do you understand how they are enrolling people into these online programs? They're doing so with 1 to 2 hour webinars. Every top expert that you see online, I can guarantee you that they have a webinar, whether it's an on-demand webinar or a webinar where you actually have to register and you show up live. Oh, you don't know the difference between on-demand and a live webinar? We'll get to that one. But let's go back to why webinars are not dead. I just recently experienced, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, and Russell Brunson. Earlier this year, they did a combination. They did a 2-hour webinar. They sold a $1,997 program in 2 hours. They literally did over $6 million from this webinar, you guys. It was $9 million by the time I closed my eyes to go to bed. And by the time they closed the cart, it was over $20 million that they sold into an online academy that was pre-recorded. So if you think webinars are dead, you are getting left behind. That's exactly what's happening. So I strongly urge you to figure out what your first webinar topic is going to be and when you're going to host your first webinar, because I hate to see you get left behind. Come on and go with me and make some online money. What I call hashtag sideline money. Because you know I've got 2 kids that are very active in sports. You guys know Deja and Jaden, football, gymnastics, right? So webinars has allowed me to make money on the sideline. I've been doing this for over a decade. And it's been the primary reason that I've been able to be at home with both of my children. I've seen my kids get on and off the bus 1,288 days, but who's counting? And it's all because I found this one piece of technology. One piece of technology. I can list names, James Wetmore, Russell Brunson, Caitlin Badger, Amy Porterfield. They are all using webinars, and they are doing so that they can build their email list, so they can expand their audience, reach a new tribe, and literally generate recurring revenue, because most of their programs have a payment plan option, or passive income, because these are automated processes and they're making money while we are sleeping. Are you hearing what I'm saying to you? The reason that you're leaving money on the table is because you do not have a method in place or a system in place to help you generate passive income and recurring income. And webinars is the solution to your problem. My name is DeKesha Williams, your virtual COO. Be passionate, be purposeful, but more importantly, be profitable.